You don't need any tools for mounting the Mercedes-Benz Snow Chains from pewag. However, it's helpful to have gloves and a soft pad for your knees at hand. The snow chains must always be mounted on the tires of the drive axle, in our case on the front tires. Before starting installation, make sure that the snow chains are suitable for the tire size of your vehicle. First, open the locking parts. Then the servo ratchet. Now you can pull the wire rope out of the servo ratchet. Neatly lay out the snow chains in front of the wheel. Then guide this end piece of the chain around and behind the driven wheel. Take both chain ends and pull them onto the tire tread. Now fasten the locking parts. Position the snow chain so that you can connect the end link of the outer chain to the upper hook. Then push the snow chain over the tire tread until the outer chain is correctly positioned. Connect the lower red hook to the locking part. Slide the servo ratchet lock to tighten the chain. Make sure that the chain links are not twisted. Now you're ready to drive on snow-covered roads. For disassembly, position the wheel so that the colored hook is at 6 o'clock position. Unlock the servo ratchet, then pull out the wire rope. Loosen the lower colored hook from the locking part. Then detach the second hook. Now you grab the chain and pull it over the tire tread. Then open the locking parts. Pull the chain around the tire or drive out of the chain.